Welcome to Sudoku Max, the Android app, and how to solve a Sudoku Max puzzle. First we pick Max from the options wheel, and for difficulty rating, we'll check the cruel radio button, and then hit New. Pressing Start creates the puzzle, which follows the same rules as a conventional Sudoku, but adds an extra 9 fields to the rows, boxes and columns. These are based on each of the 9 locations in each box: top left, top middle, top right, middle left, centre and so on. This will become clearer as we proceed. Drawing lines from nearby 2's, we can see that there's only one position for a 2 in the top left block. The big S is a toggle button. It allows you to sketch possible placement of figures. Here I'm putting in the 2's in the bottom middle block. After sketching in some more figures using similar logic, let's look at the middle right squares in each block, which Sudoku Max rules insist must contain the numbers 1 to 9. 5, 6 and 4 are already taken, and 8, 2 and 3 can't appear in the bottom 3 squares, so they must appear in the middle 3. I'm sketching them in now. This leaves 1, 7 and 9 for the bottom 3 squares. When we tidy things up a bit, this gains us a placement of a 1 bottom right. That allows us to sketch in another couple of 1's as well. A familiar Sudoku tactic is focusing on the numbers available for a single square. The highlighted square in the second row only has 7 and 8 remaining as possibles. But this is a Sudoku Max puzzle, and there is already an 8 in a middle left square. Indeed, if we enter an 8 up top, we get a pink alert showing we've broken the rules. The square must contain a 7 instead. That lets us complete the second row in short order. In a max puzzle, each of the 9 digits must appear in a different relative location in each block. I'll mark the 2's we have: top middle, top right, centre and middle left. So we've yet to place a 2 in a top left square. On inspection, only one top left square is available for a 2. There it is. The same is true for the bottom middle square. Only one candidate fits the bill. Looking for possible slots for bottom left and right 2's. Whoops, I'll take that one out. We notice that there are 4 interdependent either-or slots. And now we can strike out one of the twos that are sketched in the middle row. That leaves only one place for the 2 in that row. The position of the 3 in the top left block makes the placing of 3 in the middle block obvious. I'll just tidy up the penultimate row, sketching in 4s and 6s. Now to check the collection of central squares. Five, 7 and 9 are the numbers yet to be accounted for, and they must sit in 3 squares in the middle row, and so their final placement presents no problems. In the penultimate column, the position of the 4 is necessitated by its appearance top middle in the bottom left block. This brings the 6 in the penultimate row. Highlighting the remaining bottom middle squares shows there's only one space left for a 4. This makes the middle row easy to complete. Only one of the remaining top left squares can hold a 4. This leads to the placement of another at the bottom of the grid. The exclusion of surrounding numbers from a square in the bottom row leaves a 5 as the only candidate to fill it. We're soon on a roll. It's easy to complete the top left squares so that all the numbers 1 to 9 are represented. The rest of the solution is child's play, really. Thanks for watching Sudoku Max, the Android app. Please subscribe, try the other puzzles in the app, including the killer, hybrid and vanilla options. You should also check out the PDF Maker, and above all buy the ad-free Sudoku Max Pro. It costs buttons.